Yo, what is good, YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki back at ya for the weekly crypto.com video. Sorry for my absence for the last week, ladies and gentlemen. I did have a baby girl and just needed to take a week to spend some time with my wife and her. But now here I am, I'm back, and I'm going to be covering Cronos crypto.com content every single week. If you are new to the channel, then welcome. We cover a bit of technical analysis on this channel, a bit of news and information, and basically everything that you want to stay up to date with if you're an investor in the crypto.com ecosystem or you're thinking about it. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, I will leave timestamps down below for your viewing pleasure. And please also do remember, these videos are not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. And in today's video, folks, we're going to be having a bit of a general look, as we always do, at the overall market. So we're going to be taking a closer look at Cronos specifically, and we're going to follow that up with some interesting articles, okay? Some regulatory things going on in South Korea for crypto.com, which is pretty exciting. A bit of TA on TradingView there, as well as some cool earn updates for MATIC and BTC. The weekly crypto.com research and insights update from NFT GameFi update. Some interesting information regarding Ethereum, and just closing up the video with a bit more news. Now, before we do jump into that, folks, please do just take a moment to hear from the sponsor of today's video that makes these videos possible, Margex Exchange. The cryptocurrency markets can be extremely unpredictable. As we see for BTC, we're down 48.8% for the last year. Utilizing Margex, though, you can easily open short and long positions, making money over the long term. Using Margex, you can use up to 100x leverage with absolutely no KYC requirement. With the MP Shield system, you're also protected from illiquidity and price manipulation as a trader. Folks, if you do want to get signed up for Margex, there will be a referral link at the very top of the description of this video, and it's as simple as going to the wallet section and entering the promo code Satoshi100. By doing this, you can also get $100 free to use to trade with. If we actually head on over to the top left and look at the trading terminal by hitting switch, you can actually see the actual currencies here, which you can actually use to trade with, as well as their available balances as we scroll down. And if we have a look at the leverage section here, folks, remember you can actually use that $100 to try out that leverage. But do remember, leverage trading does come with extreme risk, so always do your own research before doing short or long positions. And also, there are never any hidden fees when using Margex. There's also a really simple way to use cross margin. So for example, if we click onto 100x, it's as simple as literally going down to the bottom below 5x and just hitting cross margin before opening a position. The low trading fees on Margex are what make it extremely attractive for me as a user, and it's why I've been using it for my shorter and longer term trades for a while now. When using Margex to deposit funds, you've actually got a large range of actual cryptocurrencies which you can actually use when you click the deposit section here. Big names such as Polygon, DAI, USDT, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, of course. So again, folks, if you do want to get signed up, it's really easy to do it. Just go to the use promo code section in the wallet section and enter in Satoshi100. Alrighty guys, so here we are just taking a bit of a look at the general overall markets, guys. So crypto, we're looking a little bit bullish. What is going on? I definitely don't think we're by any means near the end of the recession, but there are some pretty cool things going on in the space of cryptocurrency, and things are always building, especially in bearish times. So looking at BTC for the last 7 days, guys, up 3.5%. Ethereum just on an absolute run for the last 7 days, up 10.9%. The last 24 hours, however, have shown a little bit of red, guys. 2.2 down for BTC and 5.2 down for Ethereum. And as always, folks, if we go to the weekly gainers, we've got a big one here. Ethereum FI era, 134.9% up, followed by Celsius Network, guys, 119.6% up. So some people pumping in to the Cell token. Not me personally, I'm staying a little bit away from that. And Nexo, guys, actually a little platform that I have been using since 2017, up 33.2%. So cool to see that there. Let me know if you are invested in any of these. And if we now turn to the biggest losers for the last 7 days, we've got BitDAO down 25.7%, followed by ApeCoin down 12.7%, and Kusama down minus 12.3%. And if we have a bit of a look at CRO specifically, guys, we are nearing closer and closer to falling out of that top rank of top 30, guys. But even still, guys, CRO is sitting down 3.2% for the last 24 hours, currently sitting at 15 cents. Something that I think CRO holders should really pride themselves on, that even despite the bearish year that we've had, CRO still represents a positive 0.3% for the last year, a 25.4% for the last 30 days, and a nice little 9.4% for the last 2 weeks, as well as 2.4% up for the last week. And arguably the most important statistic of all for CRO, guys, from the start of its existence over 3 years ago, CRO is still up over 1,144%. And if we just go over to TradingView, and we've actually got a long trading idea here from Beholder, guys. So actually a little popular little idea here built off some nice Elliott waves here. As you can see, we are actually following this nice sort of uptrending sort of support line here, and so I think, guys, if we can actually break through that resistance line maybe in the next sort of 3 to 6 months, we could be seeing some good price action in the positive direction for CRO, taking it back up towards that 95 cent to 99 cent mark. What I actually would be really interested to know from you guys watching in this audience today, would you guys be selling CRO at around $1 at that all-time high level? Is that your exit price? Or if not, what is your exit price? Is it a little bit less, or are you aiming for a little bit above $1? Me, myself, personally, I'm personally going to be holding my CRO past $1. I might, though, sell maybe 20 to 30% of my allocation when it does hit that all-time high again. One point that is really clearly made here, though, folks, with this technical analysis here, is this is until crypto either depegs from the US stock market or BTC finds a functional bottom. So again, that's not going to be, in my opinion, for at least another 3 to 6 months bare minimum. And some really exciting stuff for Crypto.com out of South Korea. Crypto.com hits a key regulatory milestone in South Korea. Crypto.com says it's achieved a key milestone in SK after securing 2 local companies, giving it access to crypto and payments registration in the country. The move essentially means they have now secured Electronic Financial Transaction Act and Virtual Asset Service Provider registration in SK. And if we actually head on over to the Crypto.com blog, which, folks, you can actually find over on their website, crypto earn updates are or have been revised for BTC and MATIC. So, folks, as you can see, I've got the little chart here, but as you can see, for the 3-month term, guys, you've got a lockup of less than $4,000 US. You can get a 2% on that one, and for US dollars, $4,000 worth or more, you can actually get 3% for that 3 months. Then if we look at MATIC for the same time period, 3 months with a lockup of over 4K, you got 7% versus a 5.5% for 4K up 3 months. And some cool stuff going on with the GameFi space, guys. Meta integrates with Flow, rolling out Instagram's NFT feature in 100 countries. So we'll be following that mainstream adoption news very closely regarding Meta. Will that be a complete flop? Who knows? It's yet to be seen. Vitalik Buterin then proposes a new privacy solution for NFT ownership, and Axie Infinity looks to double down in South Korea. Cool. And some info from this week's Market Pulse, guys, bringing you insights on market sentiment, turning profits, points, fund flows, derivatives, and upcoming catalysts. Eth Options open interest at a high as traders pile on leverage bets. So what does it mean, guys? People are long/bullish on Ethereum for the next 6 months to 1 year at least, and I also do fall into that category. And the last little bit of news here from Crypto.com Twitter, guys. We're excited to share another regulatory milestone yet again, guys. Crypto.com setting those foundations. It has received registration and regulatory approval as a VASP from the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority. Alrighty, folks, that is all for today's Crypto.com video. If you do want to get subscribed, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn that little notification bell on, and give me a follow, guys. It's SatoshiOki7, where you can see my Twitter updates talking about the best ways you can earn from the Cronos ecosystem, talking about blockchain gaming, NFTs, and metaverse, guys. So, folks, I hope you did enjoy today's video. Let me know if you did in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.